In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone vibrate when ringing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might want to turn on your vibrate whenever your phone is ringing, just because it's just like an extra layer of, getting notified whenever you receive a phone call. So this is what you want to do. The first thing that you want to do is head on over to your settings application. Once you're here, you want to scroll down until you find sounds and haptics, which is right under notifications and right above focus. So once you click that, you're going to see a lot of different options, and we're also going to see ringtone right here. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a ringtone selected. It can be anything, just make sure that you actually have a ringtone. And then on the top, you're going to see haptics. So you want to click on that, make sure that you have something here as well. Make sure that it's not on none. You definitely don't want that. So we're going to just keep it on default, which is synchronized, and you can obviously play around with it, see whichever one you want, and test them out yourself, or you can even make a new vibration if you ever want to do that as well, which I think is pretty cool. So we're going to go back to sounds and haptics, and then you're going to see ringtone and alerts. So right now my haptics are always play, so I can play it in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. But right now I have it on always play, which means haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert. So whenever my phone is ringing, the haptics will play, and haptics are basically your vibrations. Once you have this setting on, just make sure it's on always play, and then you'll be good to go.